Alright, this is how to delete a user off of your Mac. So anyway, you have to log into a account that has admin privileges, which I have, which is my account. I'm going to click on here, I'm going to go to System Preferences. It's going to open up this window. I'm going to go to Users and Groups. I'm going to click there. It's got me highlighted, but these here you can't click on. What you have to do is you got to come here, you got to click the lock to make changes. It's going to ask for your password. Of course, you're not going to know what my password is. I'm going to click there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click on this one. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to slide down under login options. I'm going to click on the box that has the negative sign in it. It's going to bring up another window. And what I want to do is I want to go down and I want to delete the whole home folder to free up as much space as possible. So I'm going to click in that little circle. Then I'm going to slide over. I'm going to hit delete user. It's deleting that account. So she's not using it, doesn't live here anymore, and it's over 5 years old. So I eliminated that one. And bam, it's gone. Wow, I just freed up probably, I don't know, maybe close to 100 gigabytes on my hard drive, which I need because this thing was running slow. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other tutorials on iMac, on iPhone, on YouTube, on Studio Beta, on Airbnb, on Grambler, and a number of other technology things. If I don't know how to do it, I'm going to figure it out and then I'm going to show you.